In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper trim on your Toyota Tundra. Reaching behind the bumper, using a small pick, we're going to remove all of the white tabs on the top with your little pick tool. Push on the tab and then pull down on the clip. And remove the white tab. There's tabs on the top. If your truck is old, these clips may be brittle. They may break when you're removing them. And go down the line and remove all of these white clips. Install some painter's tape to avoid scuffing the paint. You don't have to do this, but it's a good idea. Using a plastic pry tool, we're going to go under the trim, and there should be a piece of double-sided tape on the top and the bottom. We're going to go around, kind of breaking that up, pulling it away from the bumper. And remove the bumper trim. I'm going to remove all of the double-sided tape that's stuck to the bumper. Use a plastic trim tool, something that's not going to mar up the bumper. And remove all of this double-sided tape. Then I'm going to use a cleaning product and clean all the dirt off. Remove the tape from your bumper. On the new piece of trim, we're going to remove the backing of the double-sided tape. The sticky side is going to go up. Now that we have a nice clean bumper, install the new trim into the bumper. I'm going to start at the middle and then push out to the sides. Install the white clips into the new trim piece. Install all the clips.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.